Hey, it's Free Tip Friday. This is like a double tip right here. Sometimes you have to clean your saw blades. If your blades on your table saw, your miter saw are dirty, like this, right? That's filthy. It should look like this, like a brand new blade. I cleaned this blade. This one is dirty, and I got another one soaking. So here's another tip. Okay, well, here's what I do. I just get some simple green, got a pan at the dollar store. You can buy a kit at like Rockler or something. It's like 29 bucks. Comes with a bowl and that the blades fit in. So just a little side thing. A 5-gallon bucket will not work. I did that before. It doesn't fit. It's not big enough at the bottom. I didn't want to pay 29 bucks. Dollar store, some simple green. You can maybe find a wide round one, but hey, I just made do. Soak it, let it soak for a couple minutes. Depends how bad it is. So here's another tip. Your ripping blades, okay? This is a ripping blade for ripping only, okay? Not cross-cutting, ripping. If multi-tooth blades are fine, but hey, you really need a ripping blade to do a ripping task. And what I do is, because pine is so bad on blades, and this is all pine tar buildup, I have a blade dedicated for pine. And you can see right there, pine only. And that's all I cut with this blade. I don't cut anything else with it but pine. And this one, I use it on my hardwoods. And it stays a lot nicer, doesn't get as dirty, so cleaning it isn't so bad. This one I'm going to have to soak probably overnight. But hey, clean your blades. That helps you cut easier, not burn your wood. And it's just a whole better experience. Be well, be safe in your shop, on your job site, and whatever you do. Until the next time, see ya.